Hi everyone. Now we can see for selling web application using MERN stack web application. So in this we have three modules. One is admin, and another one is user, another one is backend. So now we can go to coding part. So now we can open this file. I'm using VS Code. If you want, you can choose another IDE. So in this we have three modules. One is admin part, another one is backend, another one is users. Now we can see first backend. In this we have controller, two controllers. One is admin and another one is user. Like this, we can create the controllers and the database connection. So we need to link the database in server. So we created the .ini file. In this, we created the MongoDB URL and the secret code, JW secret code. In this, we are linked in our index.js file. So in .in we imported and we linked the MongoDB. And we have some modules for admin login, and this for and course module. We can create the course. For that we have modules, and also we can create the user modules, and also we have. So in this we have user modules also. User can log in like that, it will work, and it's for route. In this we created the separate routing part of our backend, and this same like that for users. And index.js we linked the everything. So now we can go to admin part. So in this we are using React.js and Vue.js. Both are UI libraries. In this we have components folder. In this we have some files. We can create the course and we can edit, we can log in, we can purchase like that. We have in admin part and user panel. Same like that we are using React and Vue.js. In main.jsx file we linked the our React server. app.jx we have routing folders and we linked. Now we can start our servers. Open terminal. So in this we need three terminals for one backend. Another one is for admin. Another one is for users. So now we can start our backend. cd server npm start. It's a running command of our backend. So in this our server is running on this port number 880. So our database also connected successfully. Now we can run our admin part. cd client npm run dev. This running command of our admin part. So our admin is running. We get URL for localhost. Now we can open. And also we can run our users. td user panel. Same like that. npm run dev. So our user panel is also running. Also localhost. We get URL. Now we can copy paste or we can control plus click. Like that we can open this our local hosts. So in this we have two modules. One is for admin, another one is for users. So in this we need to log in our admin. So in this I don't have any account. So now we can create admin email and password. So our admin is successfully logged in, register also. So now we can go to our course page. In this we have many courses. In this, if we want, we can create courses, course name, and the description, and the price, and the image URL. So now we can create. So in this we have many courses. Now we can start on course. Like this, we can create our title and the description also we can give simply HTML and the price also 500 and the image URL. And if we give publish, it will display. If we can or else it will not display. So our course was created successfully. In this have HTML exports. In this we can, if we don't want, we can change edit also. So in this we can edit, and if we don't want anything in our admin, we can delete also. We don't want this course, we can delete also. If we click delete button, it will show an alert and we can delete. So now HTML was deleted. Like that, admin panel will work. Now we can go to our users. In this, we can log in or sign up. So we can create the register. My Gmail and password also. So our sign up was successfully. This is our user dashboard. In this, we can see our courses. In this, if we want, we can purchase. Now, I don't have any purchased course. So now we will purchase one course. In this, we need to add the card number. If we add any card number, we can purchase. So our course was purchased and this course was displayed our purchased course. Like this, it will work. Thank you.